Welcome! Struggling with Windows 11 activation hangups? No worries. In this quick tutorial, we've got you covered with two CMD methods to swiftly find your product key. Let's dive right in. Go to the search bar and type command prompt. Click on command prompt to open it. Copy the command provided in the video description. Paste the command in the command prompt by pressing Ctrl+V. Then press Enter. Wait for the process to complete, then close the command prompt. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Open Microsoft Edge. Type Product Key Scanner in the search bar and press Enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Click on the download link for Product Key Scanner. Open the downloaded folder. Right-click on the folder and select Extract All. Click on Extract to unzip the file. Open the Product Key Scanner file by double-clicking it. Click on Run to start the program. Click on OK to proceed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.